Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, sir. This is my name is James M. Dinoy from BIS IT3C. So, this is my laboratory for database administration and security. So, first of all, sir, is mag-create tag database name which is name company DB. So, create na to una. So na-create na siya. So, second is create database user, assign privilege this database user. So create a database user. So create na admin, then user account, then add user account. So username is localhost, then host name localhost. I know, wait lang, admin, mali. Username is admin, then host name is localhost, password is admin 123 admin 123. Then check lang natin ang global privilege, then go. So you have added a new user. So mag-create na po tabang user, sir, which is ang name is admin user, and staff user. So user account. So ano to ang gi-create na to kanina di, sir? Admin. So admin user account create. So staff user, host name is localhost. Then ang atong password is siguro is staff 123 gapon, retype is staff 123. Then di lang natin siya i-global privileger, so create na to, go. So ang third is task 2 database security integrity. Objective, apply basic security and integrity measures. So this, sir, is research implement primary keys and foreign key. So next, sir, is dili pa data sa mali nito. So dili pa data sa assign privilege. So with full privilege man ang admin user. So sa staff user is with limited privilege. So balik ta sa localhost, then adto ta sa my page, my admin, then user account, then atong staff user. So edit privilege, then ato sa atong database, split na to sa ang my company DB, then balik ta sa global. Check na tong select insert update ba to? Delete lang. So go. So okay na. So as you can see is if mo adto ta sa to ang company DB na database, na tay duha ka table which is departments o employees. So this table is nag-contain siya of primary keys, foreign keys, not null, and unique constraint. So sa the principle of at least privilege is the user can access the thing they need. So sa tong strong password policy is gina-prevent niya ang unauthorized access sa tuang strong password policies. Then sa tuang SQL injection awareness is use validate user statement. So proceed ta sa tuang task 3 which is backup and recovery management. So sa tuang task 3 is backup. So adto ta sa tuang localhost, then adto ta sa company DB, then piliton ng export, then piliton ng quick, dili sa custom, then piliton ng SQL, then export nara. So matata sa file which is ang company DB SQL. So ato lang nito ibutang kung asa natin siya ibutang na file. So wait lang, kita natin siya ibutangan. So example sa asa so sa database din natin siya ibutang sa database. So save, So dara na natong file. So naka-create na ta og full backup na company database SQL file. So next nato is to simulate data loss, delete a table or record. So i-delete nato ning ato ang employees. So if mo mag-delete ta is nga nilang. So drop table employees. Go. Okay. So ara, pag refresh na ako sa PHP is wala na to ang employee na table. So i-restore na to siya using the backup file natong gibuhat. So first of all sa itong company DB, then import, then choose file ta. Kita na ito itong file kanina. PC database, so dara. Then okay na so import. Okay, wait. Error, table department already exists. Import has been successful. Ay, so i-try na to, delete ang duha ka table na to. So hindi na to. Drop table departments, go. Okay, naman na magandang departments na table. So company. So syempre dili mo siya dili mo siya back up if naapa ang table. So tayo na to balik, import. So successful na siya. Ibalik ang employees o ang ato ang department. So na-restore na to ang duha ka file natong gi-delete or atong gi-drop kanina. So that's all for ato para sa to ang laboratory 4. Thank you sir.